Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a POCO F5 Pro, and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So first of all, let's open the browser. In my case it would be Google Chrome, but no worries if you're using any other browsers. This operation looks pretty similar in all of them, so I'm pretty sure that you will be able to recreate the steps. Alright, so let's open the browser, tap on the three dots icon and tap on the history. Basically, here you will have the list of all previously visited websites, and if you want to, you can remove them manually, of course, if you want, just by tapping on this X buttons right next to the particular website. However, if in your case this list is too long, then I highly recommend to tap on Clear Browsing Data, because you will be able to do it automatically. So let me tap on it. And as you can see, we've got some basic and advanced options. In basics, we've got the browsing history, cookies and site data, and cached images and files. And in advanced, we've got also saved passwords, autofill from data, and site settings. If you want to remove something, just make sure that it is marked, so I will remove everything. What is more, we can change the time range from last hour to, for example, last 7 days, or even all time, up to you. If you're ready, tap on Clear Data, tap on Clear, and as you can see, the history is empty immediately, basically. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.